So, 1 into the side. Pati na rin yung 2 sa kabila namang side pocket. So, same story na nangyari kagabi na naghabol ang MSW tapos napatid dahil sa pag-deploy kay James Verano. Nasay a bit.
Oh,
There
he
you
could.
go.
There you go.
Is he gonna stun or just go follow? Yan, follow lang.
Follow shot dito for the 5.
Pagitan ng 7 pati 8. That window.
At sa sinasabi nga natin beforehand sa ating mga previous coverages.
Go with the flow. Tanggapin mo lang na nagkamali ka and just do better on the next.
Yeah.
Easy said than done.
Yeah.
Diba? Pero, yun lang eh. Anton Raga, 3 balls remaining. MSW. Maganda ang senyalis dito ha.
Yeah.
Stop ball na lang. Pero kaya pa rin naman. Ito talaga, he let go of the stroke because of that angle.
And more importantly, hindi pa hinayaang mag-heal dito ang Quezon City Dragons.